Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to be going over my November Ipsy box. This is Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you're not familiar, it is a subscription service where you get 5 full-sized items delivered to your door every month. I pay around $30, somewhere between $27 and $29 in there. You pick 3 of the items, you're given choices, Boxycharm or Ipsy picks the other 2. And then my favorite part is the drop shop, where you have the opportunity to get very inexpensive makeup tools, skincare, every single month. I have 5 items to go over with you today. Most of them are on my face. All of them, as a matter of fact, are on my face. If you'd like to see me try it on, just keep watching. Of course, I did cheat and I have some of my face on. We have our card, our rinky-dink stuffing. Let's hope that nothing is broken. I'm going to start with my add-ons, which is an item that Boxy didn't offer to me, but was in the drop shop. And this is the Lunar Beauty Universal Setting Powder in Translucent Light. I would have preferred to get the pink, but that was not available. But I will pop up the price that I paid for this. I was shocked to see it. It is new. It is getting rave reviews. The packaging, hopefully you can see that, is beautiful. This is what it looks like. I did set under my eyes, and of course the little bit of makeup that I do have on, primer, foundation, eye primer. I put a little plumping gloss on, the new one from Maybelline. I will have everything listed in the description box below. And of course, the Boxycharm info. You get a nice little puff in here. And then it looks like LB on the inside. Hopefully you can see that. A little bit into the cap, and it looks very finely milled. I'm gonna use Manny's puff. I did set under my eyes. I've been obsessed with the little Givenchy that I got, but I promise I will do my under eyes in an upcoming video, or at least keep you posted in a favorites and fails. But life has been crazy. I'm sitting here with my surgical boot on. That powder is beautiful. It's supposed to be mattifying, but without drying. So far, loving it. I knew I was gonna like it. So many, I know oily skin girls are loving it. I'm not sure about the dry skin girls, so let me know if you have it and you are dry skinned, but so far, so good. Next, an item that I believe Boxy chose for me, because I don't normally pick a face type palette. This is from Toy Factory. It is the Sidekick 1 face palette, built-in mirror. Looks like there's different variations. This is number 11, Essential Neutrals, formulated with Squalane, 11 high payoff shades. This is what it looks like on the back, pretty reflective. Let me go ahead and open it up. I'm sorry I'm not looking up the prices as I am trying them, but I will of course be posting pictures. Editing Jen will do that, and of course have them linked, and I will add them up at the end for you. While I'm doing this, if you are new here, welcome. I hope you will subscribe. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you for being here. I let you guys know, I think it was last week, that I was getting surgery on my Achilles tendon. Everything went well. It was a little more painful than I was anticipating. I was down for a couple of days. I have my follow-up appointment tomorrow, but I anticipate that everything is fine. I am still fighting with this packaging. My husband had rotator cuff surgery a few weeks back. I'm just gonna destroy this like a savage. He's doing okay. My mother got pneumonia, so she is in the hospital at home right now. I've just had my hands very full. This is the packaging. I like it. It's like a plastic, and then when it opens, here is what it looks like. Now, this is not bad. I feel like I can get into these pans. So we've got a blush and a bronzer, and then some eyeshadow shades. Let me swatch it a little bit. Here is the blush and bronzer. Let me do a couple of the shadow shades. Here's the 3 on the bottom. They look promising. I'm going to start with my Zoeva 231. I'm gonna go into this taupey brown shade right here. It looks like a nice transition. Not bad. I think my concern about this palette is that it's not going to have a lot of depth. So far the quality feels nice. I'm going to take this same shade underneath. I was happy between what Boxy chose for me and what my choices were for the 5 full-sized items. I got almost an entire face. Now the only other deep shade that could be deeper than this one appears to be a shimmer, this one appears to be a matte. So I'm going to go same brush into this one and just sort of swirl this on the outer corner just to give a little bit of dimension to the eye. It's a little warmer than the transition shade, and usually I keep warms with warms and cools with cools, but we can break the rules. There are no rules to makeup, right? Do what you like. And this seems to be working out. You can hear the box shaking in my lap, sorry about that. Not bad at all. I'm going to take a little bit of that on the outside corner underneath, just to bring that deeper shade around. And then for the shimmers, these appear to be mattes. I like to go with a deeper shade. Ooh, a cream and a white matte. I do like that. I'm going to use my finger and go into this cream shade. And I'm just going to press that on the inner portion of the eye. Look how pigmented. That's nice. Ooh. It's funny when a cream matte excites you, but a lot of them just don't have enough pigment. When you put them on, you're like, where'd they go? I'm gonna go into one of these shimmers just to see, maybe this center one, and put that in the center of the eye. Look at that, that's pretty. Just to add a little light. All right, that one's not super exciting. Let me take a flat brush and spritz it. This one is from Beauty Bay. So I'm gonna coat my flat brush, spritz a little bit of my Fight Dirty from Wet n Wild, and see if I can get it to show up like that. Oh yeah, definitely, that's better. I'm gonna turn it and just sort of pat it. I'm gonna swatch these shimmers, and let's see. I think there's only 3 shimmers. 1, 2, 3. All right, so the deepest one seems to be the most pigmented. They are okay, but the mattes are nice. I'm gonna take a small brush. This is from Luxie, and I'm gonna go back into that cream shade, and I'm gonna bring it around just to really brighten that inner corner. And let's try out this bronzer. Yeah, it's not bad. It's almost too small, but I think I can make it work. Let's get this hair out of my face. Just swirling around in the bronzer. All right. Again, sort of soft and pretty. Let me go into that pinky shade for the blush. This is another Jasmine brush. The blush is pretty. It's like a nice mauvey pink. Yeah, very nice. I need to do something about these brows. They sent me a Wander Beauty upgraded brows. This is a brow pencil and brow gel in one. They sent me medium brown. This is what it looks like. I always like the packaging for Wander Beauty. This must be the gel. Here is pencil. Seems to have a little bit of an angle. It's not like a small tip. Oh, let's try it out. I'm just gonna keep my hair out of my face. I did run a spoolie through my brows. I need a closer mirror. So far, so good. I think it might be a little bit of a red undertone. I'm not sure. All right, they're both filled, and now I'm gonna go into the gel. I have no idea if it's colored or not. It does not appear to be colored. Nice small spoolie. Let me go ahead and set them into place. Feels like it's got good hold. I will keep you posted. I do appreciate a nice strong brow gel. Pretty good. It's nice to have the pencil and the gel in one. Funny, I've had 2 of those products this month. Next, I have a mascara from Girlactik. So I'm gonna go ahead and off camera add a little bit of liner. Be right back. I'm back. I kept it nice and simple with some of my Sephora goodies. Stay tuned, I will have an update coming soon. Now we can move on to this new mascara. It is the Girlactik Lash Play Duo Mascara. It is a game-changing mascara that knows you need 2 different wands to achieve the lashes of your dreams. Includes a lengthening wand and a defining wand. Love the packaging, very pretty, like rose gold, sort of coppery. Looks like there's a bigger side here. Here's the bigger side. And then on the other side is a smaller wand. I have no idea, so I'm going to start with the bigger. And let's just start dragging it through. So far so good. I'm liking it. Definitely given length. Does have a strong scent. Almost smells soapy, but it doesn't bother me. Alright, there's the larger wand. Now I'll go in with the smaller. I think this one is building volume, or it could just be the benefits of coat number 2. I can't say it's my favorite. It's definitely more length than volume, but it's nice. I did make a mess on my lid. I had to clean that off and then add more shadow, and I didn't add the shimmer back in because I felt like the shimmer was so not popping. I did take off my lip plumper. Still burning, but I like that Maybelline. I'm gonna add in a little bit of that Lunar Beauty powder back in, because if you didn't guess it already, the next product is a lip product. This is from love+craft+beauty. This is the retractable lip liner and brush, and my shade is Space Bay. Love the color of the packaging, very nice. This side is the lip liner, another sort of different tip. It reminds me of the e.l.f. lip liner that I do not like, but I heard that they just came out with a new one. I need to grab it because it's $2. Let me know if you already got it, but for sure you'll see it in an upcoming video. Here is the brush. So the shade is not necessarily one that I would go for, but the formula feels nice. I'm gonna go in with the brush and just sort of blur out the edges. This is a color you would wear. The formula feels nice, and the brush felt very soft on my lips. And this formula is way better than that e.l.f. lip liner. Did I just smash this? Well, here's a problem. They really need to identify what side goes on what, because I just smushed the lip liner a little bit, putting the wrong cap on. And the next makeup product I have here is from Anastasia. This is their satin lipstick. I have mine in the shade Taupe Beige. I was excited about this one. I wish it were matte, but some satin formulas really do last. Look how gorgeous that packaging is. It feels heavy and luxe. The color looks beautiful. Let's see. It smells good. Got it on my nose. Not sure I like it. Maybe not the color for me, maybe not the formula for me. I'm more of a matte long wearing girl. This is a little balmy, not super shiny, but it feels nice. It smells good. I'll keep you posted if it comes right off. I have not had breakfast yet today, so I'm going to go do that. And then the last product in here, I believe they picked for me, or it was one of my choices. This is the Kitsch, the Satin Scrunchie for textured or straight hair. It says glides through hair without snagging, creaseless alternative to traditional elastics, protecting hair from breakage and thinning, can be used day or night for most hair types and textures. This might even be something I could give to my sister because she likes to wear her hair up at night. I do not. I fan it out over my pillow, but I do not wear it up. It just bothers me when it's in a ponytail in bed. But these feel very nice. Let me try it out. Yeah, they feel good. Messy bud. By the way, I did cut my hair. I don't know if you can tell. Let me know if you're interested in seeing how I cut my hair. That could be an idea for a future video. I do, if you follow me on IG, I did mention it the last time I cut it, that I do the pigtail cut by Mains by Mel. I will list her channel and the video in the description box if you are interested. But it is a super simple, nice way to cut for curly hair, but I find that even when I blow it out, it lays pretty nice as well, and it gives me the volume and the layers that I want. Let me know. I'm happy. Thank you, Ipsy. I will have all of the information about Ipsy listed in the description box below, as well as the other makeup that I am wearing. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I upload Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Did you get something different? Do you like what I got in my box? How are you doing? Let me know. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.